Hi, my name is Ryan Fajardo and I'm one of the students of Sir Kherk Roldan. First of all, I would like to say sorry for the delay of this video because I was too busy applying all the teachings of the SEO master himself, Kherk Roldan. I would like to say thank you personally to him, but unfortunately, I can't due to our current pandemic situation. But I'm happy that I'm given this opportunity because I believe that we must find time to stop and thank those people who make difference in our lives. Coach Kherk is one of those few people that I would like to give recognition because he created a dent in my universe. Coach Kherk is a type of mentor that gives time to personally teach you, considering he has a lot of students and things to do. His students is his top priority, and you will feel that along the way. The knowledge in SEO is a lifetime investment, and it is a strategy that can be applied in every platform. It may be on a different form, but definitely it will generate great results. Focusing on getting organic traffic with the lowest expense is truly magical. Though not instant like all other marketing strategy, how much effort you put in will be the amount of your result you will get or take out. I would say that Coach Kherk and his company will teach you to become successful in SEO. Why? Because they're not teaching you on how to trick Google or whatever platform you're using, but they will teach you how to partner with Google to provide the best search result for users and customers alike. I believe that a good SEO is you can never be penalized with quality content, and your SEO gets better over time. Coach Kherk became my inspiration, and thank you for being a wonderful friend, teacher, and mentor. You know what they say, every great achiever inspired by a great mentor, and thank you for that.